So we have to change the paper in the box. So I'm going to prepare the paper for that. So I have a big roll of it. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. So I take one, two, three. And fold it inside. Take another one. So I've taken three like this. So one I fold this direction. And one I keep like this. I keep this one here. And fold it like this. Make sure that you have a space here. We have one more. To make it thicker. Now this is ready. So you have space here. So when we keep it to complete, it's just like this. We can make a square. To form the shape of the box. Okay. So now this is ready. I will make the food ready. So now we have the baby food. This is to feed the baby. And a bowl to stir, and a fork to stir, and hot water. Hot water. Now this is the quantity that is taken. You have to stir it. It's hot water, so it will get fork is always good to stir. It's a little thick, so we can add a little more water. And we'll take it in the sandwich. give this one to this first. Nobody's there to help you. This is the way you help yourself. This is very hard to pull. Ready? By doing this, you can put it around. Instead of pressing it, turn it, come slowly, and you can stop. Out. So again, you can pull it. So when he came on 12th day, we got him. So that time he was taking only half of it. This much only, 10. 10 he had. Now he's taking 20 full. Okay, he's growing faster. Okay, now that's it. Let's go bring him. I kept one napkin to keep the bird. Okay, so I'm going to keep him here, not near, a little far. Can you hear him? Yes. Come on. Is it done? Okay. Hello, little birdie. Mama? There you're going. Let's eat. Let's eat, baby. Let's eat, baby. He's gonna jump. Yeah, yummy. Very good boy today. Yeah? You didn't flap your finger. Relax. Okay, open. No. Okay. Off the fan so that he will not feel cold. And slowly give him a break. Little bite. The food that he's eating is coming and filling here. Before going for digestion, it gets fills here. You're a good baby. Thank you, God, for the food. Are you okay? My little buddy. Are you okay? Yum, yum, yum. Nice food. Yeah, nice food. Okay, let's have more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm. Look at the way you're sitting. Cutie pie. Yes. His neck is very weak. You cannot hold it. You're done. Finish eating. Finish eating. Oh, oh. Today, 15th day, he got his feathers. Little tiny feathers found him. Yes, baby. Yes, 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 yes. Come here, come here. Oh, you want to show it like this? You got tiny feathers. You got tiny feathers. Yes. His nails have grown big and sharp. Yeah? Oh, yeah. And he can't hold his head. Head is very big for him. So he drops his head down. This is the nose. This is the ears. Have you seen the ear? It was very tiny yesterday. Now it's a little bigger hole. So we can see from the food, after 4 hours we can give that in. You can see this sac will be very small. This sac will be empty. So then we can fill it.